Welcome! If you're looking to take control of your Instagram notifications and stop those constant alerts about uploads and sharing, you've come to the right place. Today, I'll guide you through the simple steps to turn off uploads and sharing notifications on Instagram using the latest update. First, open the Instagram app on your device and head straight to your profile. You can do this by tapping your profile picture icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the three horizontal lines icon, also known as the hamburger menu, in the top right corner. Tap on it to open a menu with several options. Next, from this menu, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where Instagram lets you customize many aspects of your account, including notifications. Scroll down a bit until you find the Notifications option and tap on it. Inside the Notifications menu, you'll see a variety of notification categories. Look for From Instagram and tap on it to access notifications that Instagram sends directly to you about your activity and content. Now, here's the key part. Under the Uploads and Sharing section, you will find the option to manage notifications related to when you or others upload content or share posts. Simply select Off to disable these notifications. This means you won't get alerts every time there's an upload or a share activity that Instagram would normally notify you about. And that's it. By following these straightforward steps, you've successfully turned off uploads and sharing notifications on Instagram. This will help reduce distractions and keep your notification feed cleaner, allowing you to focus on what really matters. Remember, you can always revisit these settings if you want to turn notifications back on or adjust other preferences. Instagram's settings are designed to give you control over your experience, so don't hesitate to explore them. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a more peaceful Instagram experience.